Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code C14A. So guys, when you have login your Snapchat and facing this type of login problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, you have to open your settings here. After this, you have to check your Wi-Fi connection. If you have connected with any Wi-Fi, you have to click on your Wi-Fi and forget your network, and after some seconds you need to reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, after this you have to click on general, check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, and guys, you have to reset your network settings from here. So guys, maybe there is a network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to check your date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And after this, you have to, here is the option that is iPhone storage. You have to click on your iPhone storage, and guys, you have to scroll it down, click on Snapchat, and guys, you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again. And guys, after doing this method, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Snapchat without any problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.